Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door cable in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16 nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of needle-nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door cable. The two door cables connect the door springs to the door hinges. They keep the dishwasher door balanced, preventing it from falling down when opened. If the door opens without any resistance or even falls down, the door cables should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shower valve just in case the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16 nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. I'm going to hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Alright, so lift up the insulation. To remove the old spring cable, we're going to use the needle-nose pliers. I'm going to grab it right there and lift it up, stretching the spring. And I'm going to lift it off the door hinge. Then slowly let go. And then we're going to take it off the spring. This is the old door cable next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So this is a new door cable, and we're going to install it first on the spring here. Slide it on. And we're going to loop it around this roller. Hold it. And I'm going to grab the needle-nose pliers and place them right here. And I'm going to stretch the spring and place it onto the hinge, onto the door hinge. I'm going to place the insulation back down, and we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shower valve, then tighten it using 5/8 open-ended wrench. And then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on. Plug the dishwasher in and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.